Yeah, this is Lady Shy. I did say in one of my other videos that I was going to recap on the Section 8 in healthcare and what that is. And the reason why I say what I say about the Section 8 in healthcare is because people be too hyped up off the shit. And because of what I do for a living, or what I used to do for a living, or journeys that I've been on with people that I've heard stories behind and just researching it myself and what it is, it's garbage. And what people don't understand is that, first of all, if you're on Section 8, you're putting all your kids' information down there. That's not your motherfucking spot. That's your kid's spot. They're just not of age yet to take over the guardianship of the property. So that's why you're signing shit on there. So if you don't understand that little bit of information I just gave you, then I can't help you. You need to really go on Dr. Sabian, and you need to go on some doctor group and get some selenium, some iodine, some oxy powder, and break your mind, some bromide, and then come back to this video, because that's what you're doing. You're signing and putting your kids' names on stuff that they for real did not give consent to, and yet we know that you have to be of a certain age to give consent to things. And I think if kids understood what was actually going on in their names when it came to Section 8, they would probably tell you fucking no. So yeah, I'm going to go into extensive detail on another video about that. But yeah, let's just tone it down on the Section 8ness. First of all, it's not an alkaline healthcare plan. If you're getting a food stamp card, you have kids where I'm at who don't even see money first. They see a food stamp card first. Okay? So it's a problem when you have kids going into the stores with food stamp cards, and then they look at you strange because you're pulling out actual money, you know. So yeah, it's a problem now that we have kids with the food stamp cards going to the store rather than the parents with the cards, because the parents going to the cards and getting other shit off the card, or flipping the card and doing other wild shit with the card. And the whole bottom line to this card is it's nothing alkaline based on it. So why do you have it? You know what I'm saying? If you're struggling to find a job, that's cool. We all been there. Some people are there now, including me. I am one of them. I have the same situations going on with everybody else, but guess what? I'm not on Section 8. I did not have to go sign up on no false evidence to get my shit going and popping. No. You have to grind out here or be a creator or create something. You cannot just sit around and be like, oh, I got kids, so this and that. No, find them motherfucking fathers, locate them, drop them off on the doorstep. If their father's a crackhead or something, I don't know. Find the grandmother. Use all your resources is what I'm saying. If you have no resources, then you and your kid gonna have to go to work together. Find somewhere where you and your kid can go to work together. It can be done. I don't know. But at the end of the day, I'm just talking about situations that either I have experienced or been in or have seen. So the healthcare shit, y'all can just dead it with me on that. Like I said, Dr. Sabi, Alex Jones, Dr. Edward Group blew all that shit out the water. You can heal and cure anything. Everything behind any type of disease or whatever's going on with your body is because, number one, it's not purely alkaline. How can it be when we live in a hybrid world, in a chemical world? We have to change our own utopia individually. So you have to start with the basics. And some people are not willing to do that. So, oh well. You know, at the end of the day, I'm glad I woke up on my journey when I did. And I'm glad I have someone to ride with me on my journey. You might want to get you somebody too, because if you're just worried about your weaves and your your shape and your figures and all that, I don't know what to tell you. If something happens like a drought and you have no food, what are you going to do with your weaves? I mean, I guess you can use it for fire. I don't know. But you might want to start learning how to grow and plant things, and how to actually where things originate from, because you might have to move to another continent. I don't know. You might have to go to a different region. You might want to just be in your nature mind when things happen, so you won't panic, is all I'm saying. Because one day these meds are going to stop out here. These chemical meds are going to stop, and you're going to be walking past shit that's going to be alkaline, and you're not going to have no fucking idea. So I'm just saying, get that nature mind going. Let's get it going. And I'm just here as a lighthouse, giving you the good information that healthcare and Section 8 don't go together. It's designed for it to fail. It's not supposed to go together. If you don't know anything about billing and coding, you might want to get and figure that out. Figure out what your social security number is really used for. Figure out what your birth certificate versus your live birth record is for. And start doing these things. And you might want to take a trip on Dean Clifford, my people's page, who actually told me what was going on out here about the duel of the world. And like I said, your girl won her first lawsuit. So all I can do is vouch for what's real. And I'm not going to do no false advertisements or no false stories or no goddamn live feeds, because my shit is public. So at the end of the day, I'm just giving you good information on why you should be on your alkaline wave. So this is Lady Shy, you know, giving you that lighthouse information. Peace.